Hello guys, how are you? So there's this video, the previous video talking about the loss of exponent. So in the comment section, I was asked, ka gore why kere anything to the power 0 elekanale 1 is equals to 1. For example, if I say 2 to the power 0 and then I say it's equals to 1, or x to the power 0 is equals to 1, or your name to the power 0 equals to 1, or car to the power 0 equals to 1. So I was asked this question, right? And this is a very interesting question. Why elekanale lo 1? Okay guys, ne? Could loss of exponents ne ke bua ka, I was talking ka I said 2 to the power 0 equals to 1, and then there's this other one where I said 2 to the power minus 1 is the same as what? As 1 over 2. Yeah? And then little more mentioning where I talked about if we add if we times the base, we add the exponent. For example, if I say 2 to the power let's say 2 to the power minus 2 times 2 to the power minus 1 is the same as what? As 2 to the power minus 2 plus minus 1, right? So which is what? 2 to the power minus 3, right? So like I mentioned, loss of exponents. But the question that was asked the most, or why get 2 to the power 0 elekanale 1. Here's the thing guys, ne? Let's just use 2 to the power 0 equals to 1 to prove it then. So here 2 to the power 0 is equal to 1, right? So 2 to the power 0 thing, right? Another way ya go ngola 0 guys ke ge o ka minusa number ka boyona. For example, what do I mean? So I mean I can say 7 minus 7 is 0, 6 minus 6 is 0, x minus x is 0. So another way you represent that 0 is 7 minus 7, or 6 minus 6, or x minus x, or any number we minus ka boyona. You know what I mean? So what are we going to represent that 0 as what? As 2 to the power, let's use what? R 2 minus 2, okay? 2 minus 2, right? Okay, and then guys, we can even reverse this, right? Here we have what? 2 to the power 2 minus 2. I love this one. Lona guys, if you can check this one. Do you agree if I can say 2 to the power 2 times 2 to the power minus 2 is the same as 2 to the power 2 minus 2? Because ra times the base out tshwana ra add the exponent. So ra add the exponent re kry 2 to the power 2 minus 2, which is what? 2 to the power 0, right? Meaning re ka write this as what? As 2 to the power 2 times 2 to the power minus 2. Right guys? Okay, cool. And then re na le 2 to the power 2 times. Okay. How the other way ya go ngwala 2 to the power minus 2 re ka kwala bjang? We can say 1 over 2 to the power 2, because of this minus 2, this exponent minus 2 be positive. How do I be positive? The same as what? As 1 over 2 to the power 2. It really changes the sign. The time it is more fat, right? So if we're given hore, get to read example guys, so right? If we're given hore x times 1, if we're given that x times 1 over y, right? If y times it will find answer, it's going to give you what? X over y, right? So the same thing here, 2 to the power 2 times 1 over 2 to the power 2. Why get x? X over y again, because it's the same as what? As x over 1 times 1 over what? Over y. So x times 1 get x, 1 times y get y. So that's why it's again x over y. Can I read example so guys? So from here, what can we say? We can say 2 to the power 2 over 2 to the power 2, right? And then what do we have? 2 to the power 2 is the same as 4. 2 to the power 2 is the same as 4. And at the end, what do you have? 1. That's why anything to the power 0 is 1. Thanks for watching, guys.